Here we have my lovely little MGF. Unfortunately failed its MOT, and after a few years of keeping her going, we just don't want to anymore. We've had a good, I think this is our third summer of fun with her. Good tyres, good alloys. You can see the MOT failure list. I'm going to start the engine in a second, but thought I'd just concentrate on some of the good bits. Bodywork's okay. There's a few marks that need a bit of touching up. There's a couple of bits of rust in standard places, nothing untoward. I think that's one of the MOT failure ones, that's why it's got the yellow mark around it. I think discs it's failed on as well, according to, let me just see if I can focus in on that. That's offside rear. Everything else is in relatively good condition for a car of this age. The aerial went in the winter, I just never got round to replacing it, but it does have a CD player, so it's all fine. Apologies for the dirt, the dust. I did wash it for its MOT, and in the past 4 days it seems to have got quite messy. There we go. Alloys are fine, okay. I've got a locking wheel nut for it, got a spare. Actually, let me get the keys, open the boot. Whilst we're here, interior is in good condition. But don't get me wrong, could do with a bit of a tidy up, but it's been absolutely fine for the past 3 years. MG owner's handbook, CD player, anything else. Right, is the alarm off? Alarm's not on. Okay, alarm is off. So boot comes with a Tornado cover, and then there's a car cover, and we've got another full, that's just a roof cover, and we've got another full cover with it as well. Let's just open the front. Sorry about this. Should be more prepared. Wrong hole. Ace videos. There we go. There's under the bonnet. Spares in good condition. Toolkit down there. Battery. Owner before me apparently did head gasket and everything else that needed doing at the time. Piles of receipts, as you can see in the picture. And then let's just go and get the car and start her up. Starts fine. There is a hole in the exhaust that came across in this MOT failure. And really, I'm just hoping there's going to be someone else who wants to love her and cherish her and pay for her like we have. Right, I'm not giving it any accelerator. Yeah, so a bit of a squeal. It's cold, I've only just started it for the first time, and you can hear the hole in the exhaust. It seems to be coming from offside rear somewhere where it's blowing, but not quite sure what's it. That's it, up for spare or repair. Thank you very much. Oh, roof's important. Roof, seen better days, but full working order. She needs a tidy up, full working order. No idea what these are. Someone told me they'd never seen them before. That's what they came with. All right, thank you. Any questions, please ask.